Hi everyone, I am back with another video on hiring, and this time it's done by PWC, and the company is a very good company in India because of the fact that it's one of the big four firms and they deal with the taxes, invoices and things like that. So it's more like a finance company, we could say, but it's a management consulting firm. And yes, they are hiring a lot of freshers as well and a lot of experienced people. So whatever category you come in, you are welcome to apply for this hiring. But there are certain things that you need to be careful before applying for this company. First things first is obviously matching the ATS score. You will be only able to get the interview calls if you have the matching keywords from the job description of the PWC. So first thing that you have to be careful, that is this thing. And the second one is yes, be an early applicant. Whenever you apply for a hiring, it's not related to just PWC, KPMG, Deloitte, EY, इनसे ही नहीं है. You have to be careful on like every time you apply. Just check what is the what is the applicant count and how long this application has been posted on LinkedIn or Naukri. So if it's more than a week or 10 days or 15 days, let's say, do not apply to it because that recruiter is not looking for you then. They only post a certain job updates when they require someone. So if it's earlier posted in like 1 day, 2 days or even under a week, then this is a kind of fresh hiring. They really looking for you. But if you're applying for a job that is very like older, they would not reach out to you. So there are certain things that we ignore, and that's why we are stuck at applying a lot of jobs and we still don't get one single interview call. So that is another thing. And do not apply to easy apply, because easy apply there are a lot of applicants, so it gets difficult for a recruiter to filter out your profile, even if your profile is really good or if your profile matches exactly with the job description. It's really rare that like recruiter will reach out to you. So there are 3 things that I've already covered, and let's go to this hiring and apply for this PWC, and yes, get that interview call and prepare for it. Yay. One thing I forgot, that there are a lot of offices of PWC around India. So wherever you find that this is the suitable location for you, go for that location. Do not think twice, because the company is really nice and the perks are really great. So here I'm on my LinkedIn profile, as you can see, and yeah, so I'm under the job tabs, but just want to quickly highlight that please create a good profile on LinkedIn or on Naukri, because this is very, very important for your job search process and even for networking. So whenever you network with certain people, you get to know them, then what is the next step, that they could give you a referral. So if you have good connections with people around different companies, you will realize that you are scoring great than those of even those people who have great skills, like even better than you, but you have the people who could refer you to any job. So that is one thing that is very crucial over here on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a networking platform. I always boost. LinkedIn has not paid me a single penny to do the promotion, but I really feel that even in my career I have referred LinkedIn everywhere. So LinkedIn is really, really crucial. So yeah, here we are, and I'm just gonna search PWC. I've already searched over it, but I'll show you again. So there are around 7,000 jobs. You can also search these jobs on their career portal. And yes, let's say they are also hiring for a business analyst, but we are gonna just stick to the entry level jobs that are for freshers. And boom, we have 481 results. So wherever you see associate written over here, that means it's a job for a fresher. Wherever, and just see the number of applicants, 18 people clicked apply. Why? Because this process is difficult to apply on a company portal and go on fill out everything. You will look like you are a real person. That is a real task, and people avoid it. So that's why they are stuck in the loop of not getting the job that they want. So yes, this is another one kind of job. Then see whatever they are hiring for associate 2 service now. Okay, so in this hiring, I have literally found 400 jobs that are for the data analyst role. So this is another hiring that you could see, and this is for extreme proper fresher jobs. What you have to do is you have to education, or if you don't have the education, you should have a certain experience and 1 to 3 years of current and working knowledge in the field of information security or insider threat management. So what is this? it's a data loss analyst. So either you have the knowledge, either you have the degree on that, or you have certain experience. Or I'll say if you have done internship, that also counts. If you have these kind of proficiency, you will also get the job. The skills mentioned over here, if you have that, you will also be counted. So things like that, even if they mention that 1 to 3 years of experience, they count if that technical skills matches your resume, they'll call you. Okay, so yeah, this is for like specifically you will see a lot of things in this hiring. 2 weeks ago they have posted Dynamics Advisory Mumbai. So if you have worked on that tool MS Dynamics, and if you even start now, there are a lot of openings for you in next in next 6 months. So things like that, think of the same way. Do not follow the crowd, do not follow the rat race. If someone is learning data analysis, just go over there, you learn it, but just make yourself different from others. This is what I've been telling. So because of that, see, the applicant number is lesser than those of what you have seen on other other profiles. So this is one thing that you have to be really, really careful of. So there are locations such as Gurugram, Andhra Pradesh, Bangalore, and whatever location suits you, you can do that. Okay, even if you start learning Salesforce development and you work with a certain third-party companies and you have 1 year of experience, you can apply for the PWC. And how great is that? So wherever you see associate, just go and click on apply. You'll thank me later. So this is how you have to do your own job search for these kind of companies. There are 481 results. I hope you have one seat for yourself. So yes, I think yes, let's see this job, advisory deals forensic data analytics. How cool it is, investigation analytics. I have not heard of this terminology yet, but I feel really really interested by this. So data transformation and modeling, data storage and querying, understanding of common data quality issues and effect, data cleansing and manipulation. Oh my god, this is so cool. To be successful in this role, you have to demonstrate the ability to devise creative solution to complex problems. I hope you will read it out on yourself. Yeah, so this was it for this video. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, you can write in the comment section below. And I really encourage you all to go on and apply for this hiring. This could change your life. Even I am gonna go and apply to this. Okay, bye bye for now until we meet next time. All the best.